Want to find your Wi-Fi password on Windows 11? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can find your Wi-Fi password on Windows 11. The first thing you want to do is click on the search bar and search Wi-Fi settings. Then click on Network and Internet. Now you will find your connected network over here. Go ahead and click on the Properties option. Now you have the option of Wi-Fi network password. Go ahead and click on Show. Here you can easily find your password and you can also find the QR code. Now the another method is to view from Windows setting. For that, click on the search bar again, and this time you want to search for network connections. Then click on View Network Connections. Here you have the option of Wi-Fi. Right click on that. Now select Status. Here click on Wireless Properties. Now select Security. Then you have the Network Security key. Go ahead and check the box that says Show Characters, and here you can easily find your Wi-Fi password. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.